Brad Williams, Excel Prime. 3.17, hiding columns and rows in a snap. Very simple. Grab your whatever rows you want to hide. Just hold down your mouse, highlight, right click, hide. Here you're going to see the rows. It goes from 7, 8 to 14. Now, in some cases, you might want to put a note detailing that rows are hidden. Otherwise, the data is there that's hidden. To unhide, just hit row 14 and hit unhide. Sometimes you're going to go, that didn't work. Well, highlight 8 and 14 and then hit unhide. You can also go to home, cells, format, and then you're going to see hide and unhide. Here you can hit hide rows, hide columns. So we're going to hit hide rows, and we just hid row 8. We're going to go to format, hide, and we're going to hit unhide rows. We're going to do the same with columns. Identify any active cell, hit format, hide and unhide, hide column. We hit hide, we hit column E, and we're going to hit format, unhide columns. And you can see, well, wait a minute, it didn't unhide column D. Well, you need to be to the right of the hidden column in order to unhide the column. Hit format, unhide, and again, you're going, well, that didn't work. So let's go to the right, go format, unhide, unhide column. You're asking, why isn't that working? So format, unhide, unhide columns. Well, what you have to do is you have to highlight between the two. What you have here is column D and F, it's format, unhide columns, and column E is unhidden. Now, if you attempt to try to hide a row with just the active cell active and not the entire row highlighted, it won't work. Here we are at row 13. Right click, you're going to see you can't find a link to hide the column. Go up to format, hide rows. And in that particular format, you can hide a row. The shortcut method won't allow you to hide that particular row. Now, if you move along and you're doing your normal stuff, you're adding and subtracting and adding data, etc., and you forget about column 13 or 14, keep in mind that down the road, if you're doing additional calculations and you forget about your hidden row or rows, it could create a problem. So just be aware, make note that a hidden row could impact the computation of your whatever data you have in your particular range. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.